In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I took my headlights from this to this without using any expensive kits. Just a bit of elbow grease, the right tools, and a process that works. Here's what you'll need: a set of sandpapers, a dual action polisher, some heavy cut compound, a ceramic wax, and a bit of tape. I'll walk you through each step. Start by masking off the paint around your headlights. This just gives you peace of mind when you're sanding so you don't accidentally scuff your clear coat. Now we sand. Start with 400 grit to remove the yellow oxidation, then move up through the grits, 600, 800, 1000, 1500, and then finish with 2000. Each grit smooths out the scratches from the one before it. Don't skip any. This is what gives that crystal clear finish later. Once it's fully sanded, it's time to bring back the shine. I'm using a dual action polisher with a foam cutting pad and Meguiar's Mirror Glaze heavy cut compound. A few drops on the pad, spread it out, and work it in with overlapping passes. Let the machine and the compound do the work. No need to press hard. To lock in your results and protect against future yellowing, I'm using a ceramic spray wax. Just mist it onto the lens, spread it evenly with a microfiber cloth, and buff it off. This gives you a slick, hydrophobic finish. If you're after something even more permanent, you could look into applying a dedicated UV-resistant clear coat or a ceramic coating made for plastics. And that's it! Clear, clean headlights with just some sandpaper, a polisher, and a bit of know-how. If this helped you out, give the video a like, drop a comment down below with any questions, and subscribe for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.